If you have a special event coming up and you need a few cake stands, in this part 1 of a multi-part video, I share exactly how to build a 2.5 and 3 foot cake pedestal. Be sure to watch screenshot and save this video as I share the exact dimensions for the cake stand along with important information on how to assemble it correctly. The first step of the process is to cut the boards down to size. You'll first want 2 boards that are 35 and 1/4 inch long by 10.5 inch long. I am using 3/4 inch boards. You'll then want 2 boards that are 35 and 1/4 inch by 12 inches wide. For the second cake pedestal, you'll want 2 of the 29 1/4 by 10.5 and 2 of the 29 1/4 inch by 12 inches. The last item that you'll need for both cake stands is a 12 by 12 topper. You'll then want to begin to assemble everything together. For this project, I did use 1 1/2 inch brad nails along with wood glue. I would highly recommend working on an area that you have full access to be able to apply pressure if needed. And the more brad nails used, the better, as you will use the wood filler later in the project to give it the cleanest look possible. You will want to make sure that all the brad nails countersink. If they don't, you might have to hammer a few in. You will also notice that I work on the 2 sides first. Be sure to use the pieces that have the 10.5 inch width first, and you'll mount those to the 12 inch width boards. Make sure that the boards are flush up against each other, and be sure to wipe off any excess wood glue. Once you have all 4 sides assembled, you then can install the top of the cake stand. Once completed, you're now ready for the next step of the process. Be sure to put all your questions in the comments and follow for the remaining parts to come.